Welcome guys, today I am with the JBL Wave 300 and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your laptop. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. On the back you can find input for your USB-C cable. Next, open the case and take them out of this case. Take a look on these indicators at the bottom. They will start blinking after a few seconds, quickly on the blue, so we have to wait until this process will be turned on. There it is. Right now put them back, close to your laptop, and you have to open the Bluetooth settings. So open the start, go for the settings, and go for the Bluetooth and devices. Turn on Bluetooth with the switcher and click to add device. Select Bluetooth. Now just wait until they pops on the list. Select JBL Wave from the list. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.